followed the barking noises and found a room full of dogs. There were yellow dogs, spotted dogs, sweet dogs, and fluffy dogs. Shh! There were quiet dogs, yapping dogs, and even a dog without a tail. But where were the puppies? And George saw a little wagging tail, then another, and another. Once George saw the puppy, he could not take his eyes off them. He had a pet one. Here was a puppy. The puppy liked George. George wanted to hold the puppy. Slowly he opened the door. But before George could even reach the puppy, the mother dog pushed the door open and was off like a shot. George tried to close the door after her, but the puppy was too fast. There was nothing George could do. Puppies were everywhere. Puppies hidden under desks. Puppies barked at Bunny. One puppy played with the telephone cord. Another climbed on top of the cage to watch the other get into mischief. Soon all the dogs was barking. The cats were meowing. The bunnies rustled into the corner of the cage. "Oh no!" cried the director as she and the man with the yellow hat rushed into the room. "Now all the puppies are out." The man with the yellow hat helped the director gather up the puppies and put them safely back in their cage. Soon all the animals settled down and were quiet. Except for one, who was still barking. It was the mother dog. What was she barking at? There was nothing here but a dog. There must be something on the other side, thought George. He opened the door. It was the missing puppy.